Hello and welcome. Today we will talk about the bank. Listen and practice. Going to the bank is something many people do in their daily life. Banks are places where people keep their money safe. When we talk about the bank, we can describe different services it offers. For example, people can open a savings account or a current account. A savings account helps people save money and sometimes earn interest. A current account is used for daily spending and payments. Many people go to the bank to deposit money. We can say, I deposited $100 into my account yesterday. Others go to withdraw money from an ATM or from the cashier. For example, I withdrew some money to pay my bills. Banks also give people bank cards, like debit cards and credit cards. Debit cards use money directly from your account. Credit cards allow you to borrow money and pay later. Some people go to the bank to exchange money. For example, I exchanged dollars for euros before my trip. Banks also give loans to people who want to buy a house, a car, or start a business. To get a loan, people must fill in forms and provide documents. At the bank, we can also pay bills such as electricity, water, or internet. Many people now use online banking on their computers or phones. With online banking, they can transfer money, check their balance, and pay bills easily. Still, some people prefer to visit the bank in person. Inside the bank, we usually see a reception desk and several counters. There are also machines like ATMs to withdraw or deposit money. Bank workers, like cashiers and clerks, help customers with their needs. For example, the bank clerk helped me open a new account when visiting the bank. It is important to bring identification, such as a passport or ID card. Sometimes the bank is busy, so customers wait in line. We can hear sentences like, "Please sign here," or "Do you want to withdraw or deposit?" Talking about the bank is useful in real life and helps us manage money better. In the end, banks are important places that make our daily financial life easier and safer. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell to receive all new updates. Thank you, dear viewer.